I'm going to quickly take you all through the demo of my application. So this is my application and I'm selecting, let's say, January 2013, and I'll submit this query. So if you go to the Google Bigquery console, you will see a job is submitted, and the data is crunched, and you get it right here. And when I ask him to load the results, the Google Motion charts will be loaded. It takes some time to load because it is heavy data. And so there you are. So on the x-axis you have days, that's in January, and here y-axis represents repository watches. So currently it's a basic algorithm. The more number of watches, the repository is trending. If I play from here, I can see the details. I can hover over the bubbles. Um, Also, I can check the languages that I'm interested in, and uh, read get to know about what's happening to PHP during this month. Or I also have this line graph. So this is showing PHP. If I just remove it, it has everything. I can go to the peaks and see what. So it's JavaScript and what's happening. Similarly, I also have a bar graph. Let me go and select days. So this shows the bar graph. You can play and see what's happening. If you select something, it will show you what's the status of those languages during that time. So the number of repository watchers for those languages are seen. So after this project, after the project demo, I just want to show you that here on the Google BigQuery console, uh, under the project name that I created, you can see the recent queries that were fired. So as I said, this is the table that is fired, that is queried every time the GUI wants some information. So you can see the time right here, and um, the algorithm that needs to find the trending repositories is inside the project. And Also, I would like to talk about the Google Data Store that we were discussing in the slide. So what's happening is that when you are querying this database, this data is queried from the Google BigQuery, and the results are stored in Google Data Store under your credentials. So currently they are stored on the Google Data Store under my username, for my Google username. And so uh, if anybody else is running this project simultaneously, so if I host this project on Google App Engine, and two people simultaneously ask for trending developers, say person one asks for January and person two wants December, so the data that is crunched is not overlapped. That is, both of them will get correct results because the result is uh, stored under their own username. So